If you are looking for the best graphics cards for gaming at a variety of price points, then keep watching. So hey guys, this is TeamOverclocked. In this video, I'm covering the best graphics cards for gaming for early 2018. Before I start, I would like to mention that links to everything I mentioned will be in the description, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. But without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. To start it off, we have the EVGA GT 1030 for $85. This comes clocked at 1.3 GHz and has a boost clock of 1.5 GHz. It also has 2 GB of VRAM, which is perfect for the audience that this is targeted to. This also consumes an insanely low amount of power, about 30 watts, and also has a low profile cooler so it can fit into any kind of PC, including low profile pre-builds like those made by Dell. In terms of performance, it can run most games out there at 1080p medium to high settings with around 30 to 40 FPS. In lighter games like League of Legends, you can expect around 60 FPS at 1080p when maxed out. So for budget gamers, this is an excellent option. Next up, we have the Asus GTX 1050 Ti for $155. This comes clocked at 1.3 GHz and has a boost clock of 1.4 GHz. It does have a small cooler, so overclocking is not going to be a big strength of this card, although it should be sufficient for its power draw. In terms of performance, you will be hitting 60 FPS at 1080p in most games at high settings, which is perfect for most people. Next up, we have the Asus GTX 1060 3GB for $245. This comes clocked at a pretty decent 1.6 GHz and has a boost clock of 1.8 GHz. Now, unlike the previous GPUs, this actually does have a pretty nice cooler for the price, and the cooler features 2 fans, so overclocking should be a breeze. The 3 GB of VRAM that this has is not the highest out there. It is probably on the bare minimum when it comes to 1080p gaming, but it should get the job done. Now speaking of gaming, this should be able to game at 1080p high to ultra settings with some great frame rates. You won't be maxing any games out, but you will definitely come close. Also, this is a great entry level 1440p gaming GPU if that's more your thing. If you have a higher budget, like something past $275, you're probably going to be out of luck. A lot of the higher end GPUs are out of stock, mostly because of the second wave of Ethereum mining. Recently, Ethereum doubled in price, so there have been a lot of miners who've been buying up these GPUs so they can mine some Ethereum while it's at this high price. And this has led to a shortage of GPUs like GTX 1070s, 1080s, and these kinds of GPUs are running at really high price points and have really low stock. So if you're looking to buy a GPU at something past, let's say $300, I would recommend going on Reddit Hardware Swap or eBay and buying a lightly used GPU for whatever budget you have. I will have links to everything, including Hardware Swap and eBay, in the description, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. But yeah guys, that's all for today. If you liked the video, please be sure to hit the like button. If you didn't like it, please dislike this video and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.